are going to love the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, daytime running lamps, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.